Welcome to the Stoic Formula, where ancient wisdom meets modern challenges. If you're ready to master your mindset, rise above setbacks, and live with purpose, you're in the right place. Let's uncover the power of Stoicism, one insight at a time. Failure is inevitable, but it doesn't have to define you. Learn how to embrace setbacks with the powerful wisdom of Stoicism and unlock your true potential. At the heart of Stoic philosophy lies one fundamental truth. We cannot control what happens to us, but we can control how we respond. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and one of Stoicism's most revered thinkers, once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This mindset is not about suppressing emotion or becoming indifferent to failure. Rather, it's about developing the resilience to face adversity with clarity and purpose. Failure, then, becomes a teacher, not an adversary. When we adopt a Stoic perspective, we begin to see setbacks as opportunities to exercise courage, patience, humility, and discipline. Epictetus, a former slave who rose to become a respected Stoic teacher, encouraged his followers to treat each challenge as a test of their character. Difficulties are things that show a person what they are. So how can we apply this ancient wisdom in our modern lives? First, practice the dichotomy of control. Ask yourself, what parts of this failure were within my control? What were not? By focusing your energy on what you can influence, your thoughts, actions, and responses, you avoid becoming trapped in regret or self-blame. This mindset empowers you to move forward with purpose. 2. Reframe failure as feedback. Rather than labeling a setback as defeat, view it as valuable information. What did you learn? What can you do differently next time? Stoics remind us that failure is not the end. It's a step on the path to mastery. 3. Cultivate inner fortitude. Daily journaling, reflection, and even meditative contemplation can help reinforce Stoic principles. As you build mental resilience, you'll find yourself less shaken by external outcomes and more anchored in your own values and efforts. 4. Remember the impermanence of everything. The Stoics often practiced Memento Mori, the reflection on mortality, not as a morbid exercise, but as a powerful motivator. Failure, like success, is fleeting. What matters most is how you live in alignment with your principles, regardless of outcomes. By embracing these practices, you turn failure into a forge, one that tempers your resolve, sharpens your insight, and reveals your strength. In the words of Seneca, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." Thanks for watching the Stoic Formula. If this resonated with you, hit like, subscribe, and join the journey toward unshakable resilience. Remember, failure doesn't define you. How you respond does. Stay grounded, stay strong, and keep moving forward. Until next time, live by reason, not by reaction.